In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile an overpayment or credit note from a supplier on Xero. This can be vitally important for keeping your accounts accurate and ensuring that any extra payments or credit notes are correctly reflected in your financial records. Let's get started on how you can accomplish this in just a few minutes. First things first, you need to log into Xero accounting software. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Now enter your email address and your password. Make sure these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. After entering your details, click on the login button. Once you've successfully logged in, you will find yourself on the Xero dashboard, which is your central hub for accessing various features of the software. From the dashboard, look for the option that says Reconcile Items and give it a click. This will take you to the page where you can see a list of transactions that need your attention. Here, what you need to do is select the specific customer invoice you're working on. After that, click on Find and Match. This feature helps to match your bank statement lines with invoices, bills, or bank transactions you've already entered in Xero. Next, select Match Invoice on the same page. This step is crucial to ensure that the invoice you're matching is correctly identified. If the invoice doesn't appear automatically, you might need to search for it manually using essential details such as date or invoice number. After matching the invoice, you need to create a new transaction. For that, click on New Transaction. Once you're in, select Receive Money. This step is essential for recording any overpayments or for credit notes that have been issued by your supplier. Next, look for the option that says Direct Payment and click on it. You might need some coffee for this, but hang in there, we're almost done. After clicking Direct Payment, make sure to change the transaction type to Overpayment. It's important to inform Xero that this particular transaction involves an overpaid amount, distinguishing it from standard invoices. Once you've changed the type to overpayment, you need to click on Save Transaction. This will ensure that all the information you have entered is stored correctly within Xero. Finally, now that your transaction has been saved, you can proceed to reconcile it. Click on Reconcile and then confirm by clicking OK. This final step confirms the reconciliation of that specific overpayment or credit note, ensuring your accounts remain perfectly balanced. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you have successfully reconciled an